Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete or remove stamps from a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. I will delete this stamp and this one from a PDF file. Click on this comment option and select here, select annotation. Now click on this stamp and select. Now press right button for your mouse cursor and select delete. Also you can select drag and your mouse cursor and you can select multiple stamps and simply press delete and see this. And similar way you can select this one and press delete. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Now select and reopen this PDF file and see this. There are no stamps this PDF file and completely remove all of these stamps. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.